Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys how you can set up your own home altar. I did this for the month of May, which is Mother Mary's month, so I did this for her. But you can do this as a home altar, or you can just do it for the various feast days. So let's get into the video now. So firstly, I'm going to be painting some pine cones that I found outside our sidewalk. I was just thinking what to use or do like a DIY, and then I found these pine cones and I just thought it would be nice if I could paint them all in bright colors. So I got 4 of them and I painted 2 in yellow and 2 of them in orange. Just used the usual acrylic paint and then just let them to dry. I did do 2 coats because it looked a little light, so I just wanted it to look more opaque. And that's why I just did 2 coats. And then I figured out that it looked very plain, so I just wanted to add a little bit of glitter. So this is gold glitter glue that I added on the edges, and I just used my finger to cover up the pine cone well, so there was a little bit of a nice shine to it. I repeated the same for the orange pine cones as well. This next DIY, I had some toilet tissue paper rolls, and I'm just going to be cutting them in strips as such. And we are going to glue the edges together. So for this you can just use the normal school glue, but here I'm using the glue gun, and we're going to make flowers out of toilet tissue paper rolls. So if you see here, I'm attaching 6 petals to this. Usually 5 or 6 will give you a good flower, nothing more than that. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be making 4 as such, so I can paint them in 2 different colors. So I'm starting with painting them now. I've taken 2 flowers and I'm painting them in red, both on the inside as well as the outside. These are acrylic paints as well. Just completely give them a good coat. One good coat is enough. They are really nice and bright. Now moving on to the other 2 flowers, I'm painting them a nice bright yellow color, both on the inside as well as the outside. And to complete the flower, for the center, I'm going to be using pom-poms today, red and yellow pom-poms. So red pom-poms for the yellow flowers and the yellow pom-poms for the red flower. This is something that I was searching for so long. I didn't know what to place on the center. I first thought it would be buttons, and then it didn't look good. And then I thought I would just cut out some color and then maybe paste it. And then I remembered that I had pom-poms. So pom-poms looked so perfect on these flowers, so then I finally stuck to pom-poms. And here as well I'm using the glue gun because I know that sticks better. So I'm just adding a little bit of glue on the pom-pom. I'm just sticking it in the center. We're going to be assembling the altar, and I covered the table with a glitter fabric that I had. I just used that, and then I covered a tinier stool with another silk fabric that I had as well, so that I could place Mother Mary on that stool. Next I went ahead and added some blue crepe paper. I just gave them 2 twists and it automatically makes a beautiful swirl spiral design. So I just stuck them on either side, making them like a triangle. And then I added 12 stars and also printed out the various apparitions of Mother Mary. I just stuck 5 on either side. And then I added 2 ribbons in light blue to represent the graces flowing from her hands. So these were those very thin ribbons that you use to wrap gifts, those very thin ribbons. I just stuck one side to her hand and the other to the table. And then next I went ahead and I placed the painted pine cones. So I used double-sided tape, that's what was holding on to them well, and I just placed them on either side. I did the same for the flowers that we made as well. I used double-sided tape and I placed them. I placed 2 flowers together, that gave it a good look. So this is how everything turned out. I added fresh flowers at the end and also some fairy lights to finish up the altar. I hope you got some ideas as to how you can decorate your home altar as well, and if you did, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and I'll catch you guys soon, very soon, in my next video. Until then, my friends, take care. Bye bye.